Today I'll be unboxing a Amazon Basics Neoprene dumbbell set. So this arrived. It's pretty heavy. It's about 60-70 pounds. You can see over here. Made in China. And a nice Amazon Basics label. So let's see if I can open this thing up. My wife actually, this is actually really hard. I don't know what they used to package it, but my wife almost broke her toe kicking it by accident. So this is how the set came. 5 pound, 5 pound, 10 pound. And another set over there. There's the Amazon Basics set. In other languages too, like Japanese and Spanish. If I take this out, there's my 5 pound set. It's actually all in plastic, so I'll have to open those. So 2 5 pounds, 2 10 pounds, 2 15 pounds, and the piece de resistance. I don't know what this one is. Let me go get some scissors and cut them open. So here's the set opened, half of it. 5 pound, 10 pound, and 15 pound. I guess this is maybe the stand for the set. I'll open it in a second, but you can see that it's double boxed. Double boxed. Take it out. It's your standard set. Discolored over there, but it's okay. You know, it doesn't have to look perfect. 5 pounds. Looks like it's pretty sturdy. 10 pounder is a little more difficult for me to get out. Oh gosh. So this one's a clean blue set. And finally, let's go pop out the 15 pounder. Looks like this. Has a weird indentation over there, but yep, looks pretty good. No sticky residue or anything. So let me go cut this thing open and show you this set. Finally, here's the stand. Not sure how it works. I'm guessing it's like this since it says Amazon Basics here. And you would put the weight over here, and then the next weight, and so forth to the last weight. I guess this is for carrying the set if you need to. Ta-da! Oh man, I'm gonna mess up my carpet. So overall, pretty cool set. I forgot how much I paid, but I've had this for like half a year or a year, and finally opening it up, but it looks like it's your standard weight set, Neoprene dumbbell weight set, so hopefully you can get a deal on this. I'm going to call it a day.